What you're looking at is my first custom built ROS2 AGV. But this robot did not start like this. It all started with simple plastic box. My goal was not to build a perfect robot from day one. I wanted to learn robotics by actually building something real. Once I confirmed the basic electronics worked, I started designing a proper chassis in Onshape. Every dimension, mounting hole and component location was carefully planned. So before printing, I visualized the complete robot using Blender. This helped me understand how everything would come together before spending time and material on printing. The next step was turning the digital model into real parts. Watching every component come off the 3D printer was one of the most exciting parts of this project. After printing, I assembled the chassis piece by piece, making small adjustments whenever required. Building a robot is not about getting everything right the first time. It's about improving with every iteration. Once the mechanical assembly was complete, I installed the Raspberry Pi, Arduino, motor driver, battery and LiDAR. Proper cable routing and component placement were just as important as making everything work. To learn the robot software, I followed the excellent Articulated Robotics tutorial to understand ROS2 fundamentals. I then applied those concepts to develop my own custom AGV. This project taught me far more than robotics. It taught me product design, rapid prototyping, 3D printing, problem solving, and patience. This is just the beginning of my engineering journey. If you enjoy robotics, product development, and building real machines, consider subscribing my channel because there are many more projects coming soon. Thank you so much.